guys, I've got a grocery haul and a meal plan for you today. Let's get started. Kosher dill pickles, kosher bread and butter pickle chips, 2 Grand biscuits, 2 of the small Pillsbury biscuits, 5 count, strawberry Uncrustables, grape Uncrustables, smoked sausage, 3 of the Great Value brand whipped topping, bologna, Tennessee Pride sausage and buttermilk biscuit frozen sandwiches, grapes, mandarin oranges, bananas, milk, Idaho potatoes, 12 count eggs. My Walmart had the worst looking tomatoes, so we ran to Meijer. They only had organic tomatoes and they were $2.99 for 2 tomatoes. In one of these packages, the tomatoes don't look very good, so we're gonna start with those first. So I just paid $6 for 4 tomatoes. Diet green tea, Powerade, bagels, hamburger helper beef stroganoff, 2 of the cheddar cheese soups, 2 cream of potato soups, bunny bread, sub buns, Hershey syrup, ketchup, Italian seasoning, cream cheese frosting and chocolate fudge frosting, Bush's baked beans, sour cream and onion potato chips, the Great Value brand chili cheese corn chips. I could not find the Fritos chili cheese chips at my, I can't even say that, Frito chili cheese chips, vanilla cream wafer cookies, Chips Ahoy chewy cookies, 2 of the caramel apple suckers, peanut butter crunch bars, cinnamon streusel coffee cake, light brown sugar, 3 cans of the pure pumpkin, 4 of these $3 fleece throws, kitty food, Equate brand mouthwash, paper plates, kitty toys, another kitty toy, deodorant for my husband, windshield washer fluid, kitty litter. Now that we've got the groceries all out of the way, let's check out our meal plan. I realized that last week I did not do my meal plan because I did not have a grocery haul. So I'm gonna run through what we made last week as well as what we're planning to make this week. As a reminder, this is a Monday through Friday meal plan, and Saturdays and Sundays, it's kind of depending on the week. So last week, starting on the 19th, we did Crescent Club sandwiches, lasagna soup on the 20th, had leftovers on the 21st, frozen pizzas the 22nd, the 23rd we did taquitos and Mexican rice. This coming Monday we're going to be doing ham and beans. On Tuesday the 27th we're going to do a taco bake. On Wednesday the 28th we're going to do a turkey bake. Thursday enchiladas. And rounding out the week on Friday the 30th with steak and potatoes. To wrap things up today, I spent $248 at Walmart and about $17 at Meijer's. Really went there for tomatoes and for some horseradish pickles that my husband loves. Couldn't find the horseradish pickles, but did find some overpriced tomatoes. But nowadays, Nothing's overpriced. I just want to tell you guys how much I appreciate you following along this week with this grocery haul and meal plan. Thank you so much for all that you do to support my channel. And don't forget, Allie's saying thank you for watching too. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys in the next one.